Yeah, come on this side. Yeah, she said she was driving. She went to make the turn, and the car just went into the car. Sir, you have your license and registration and insurance? And do you need any medical attention?
I don't think so, but...
Okay. Your license is right here.
It's right here.
Yeah. So I need you to take it out of your phone. Have you had anything to drink today? No? Is there a reason why you're swaying and you have slurred speech and then you're having difficulty to perform basic directions?
Probably because I'm very cold.
You're very cold? Okay.
I'm very cold.
All right. Well, we're going to have someone respond here and perform a field sobriety test to determine, see if you're impaired. Okay?
Do you have any medical conditions or anything like that?
No.
No problems?
I know of.
Not that you know of? Okay, so just do me a favor, just step right here. I don't want you stepping on any cracks or anything like that. Just step right here in this box. If you can, just put your feet together and your hands down by your side. All right, when I tell you to, you're gonna pick which leg, right or left leg. It's your choice. I'm not telling you to do either one. What I want you to do is I want you to pick either leg you choose. I want you to pick your foot up approximately 6 inches off the ground. Keep your foot parallel to the ground, and I want you to look down at your toes and count 1 1,000, 2 1,000. Hold on. I'm going to demonstrate for you. I just need you to stand with your feet together, hands down by your side until I'm done telling you, okay?
I'm a little shaky.
No problem. So when I tell you to, you'll raise your foot approximately 6 inches off the ground. You look down at your toes. You're going to count 1 1,000, 2 1,000, and 3 1,000, and so forth till I tell you to stop. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate for you, so watch me. When I tell you to, I'm going to raise my right foot for demonstration purposes. You can raise your right or left, it doesn't matter. I just need you to stand with your feet together, hands down by your side. Okay, so like I said, I'm going to raise my right foot. 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 1,000, 5 1,000, and so forth until I tell you to stop. Do you understand?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, ready? Begin. You're what? I know. Okay. All right, stop. All right, just step back a little bit. The next thing I need you to do, if you can you just stand with your right foot in front of your left foot, heel to your toe? All right, just stay like that while I'm talking to you. Okay, so when I tell you to, you're going to take 9 heel to toe steps. Each step you take, you're going to touch your heel to your toe, and you're going to count each step. 1, 2, ma'am. Just stand with the right foot in front of your left foot, please.
Stay out there with someone else. Easily turning into.
Ma'am, I need you to stand with your right foot in front of your left foot.
Do you mind if I ask a question?
Absolutely, go ahead.
Okay.
What was the question?
I wanted to know if Director Shea.
What does Director Shea have to do with anything right now?
Well, because I can see that you're looking for something that isn't there.
Okay.
All right.
So Director Shea has 0 to do with this stop though right now, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay? So I need you to stand with your right foot in front of your left foot. No, face me. Face me. I need you to stand with your right foot in front of your left foot. Hands down by your side. Put your right foot in front of your left foot.
Yeah, because I'm shaking.
Ma'am, I need you to put your right foot in front of your left foot, please.
I'm feeling unsteady.
Okay. But I'm still asking you. I asked you if you had any medical conditions. You said no. And now while we're doing the test, now you're feeling unsteady.
You can feel steady at any time.
Okay.
You can feel unsteady.
Okay. I know that. But that's why I'm asking you. Okay, that's why I'm asking you. But didn't you? She refused medical attention, didn't she?
I thought I was fine, but I can see that I'm not.
You can see now that you're not?
I can see now that I'm not as steady as I should be.
Okay. So what's going on now? What are we feeling unsteady about?
Go ahead, let's finish this test.
Well, I'm asking you if you need the medical attention. We're going to get you the medical attention.
Okay, I'd like to get medical
Okay,
attention.
no problem. Oh, yeah. She is going to the hospital right now. Well, I'm asking you, the medical attention, we're gonna get you out.
Okay, I'd like to get medical.
Okay, no problem.
Alright, right now at this time we will get placed under suspicion of DUI, okay?
Alright, just put your hands behind your back.
No.
Listen, listen.
No.
Please. Listen, let's not. Just put your hands behind your back.
I was at a hospital.
Car accident. She said she was dizzy.
Okay.
She is
Just,
going to the
just
hospital
bring.
right now.
Okay? Thank you.
Just put her over.
And stop 4, we're going to have one under for suspicion of DUI. Can we have a brief officer respond to this location for a man now, please?
And to what? No, I said that I could see that I was dizzy and I needed to go to the hospital.